Hello, everybody. I'm about to share with you why I got involved into the crypto, which is affording me a lifestyle that I'm living today, which I thought was never possible. Even a couple of months back, I was living in a house with my roommate, and I was living like this for years. And and here I am in my new loft, and here in Montreal. I'm gonna be as honest as possible, and I think you need to hear this because I have seen so many people working in Subway and working in places for 7, 8 years straight and getting laid off by multiple companies. A couple of my friends were working without even notice in just a matter of single days. So settle in. Everything I'm about to share with you is real, and what happened to me and what is actually happening right now. I think I'm gonna share with you one question is why I got into crypto. It's because I used to work in a job, and I just thought to myself, this is not the lifestyle. I don't want to work my entire life for a company, and at the end of the day I don't even have any money saved up. Whatever people are earning, 90% of the people are just surviving, paying rent, eating food, going out with their girlfriend, spending it all, whatever days are they're earning every single month. And if you don't be conscious enough to think through what's happening and how you can tackle these issues, you're gonna have a hard time. And it's just like, I always had a mentality is that whatever I earned from my job, I would put 80% of my portfolio earning in the crypto portfolio. My thinking has always been, I'd rather lose it all or I'll become somebody who everybody would know. It doesn't really have to everybody would know, or I'll become somebody who would make a lot of money. I just cannot this mediocre life. I gambled 80% of my fund, which turned out to be a great investment. It wasn't really a gambling because I knew what I was doing and I was waiting for this time. And the time seems to be has finally come, but I have not sold everything yet. I think Bitcoin is going way higher than where it is, but I'm not just saying it it's just I wanted to say it. I can back it up with a lot of facts. That's why we're here today. We're probably going to be talking about a lot of those things. So, when I had the money from my job, I was always thinking, I couldn't just find anything that provide more return that the Bitcoin is providing. I just couldn't find it. S&P 500, not even close. Gold, even it had a big run up, not even close to the return of Bitcoin. So I figured out that nothing has provided more return than the Bitcoin. So here's the chart, and you can see it for yourself that which one has more return. If you look at the year to date, Bitcoin has always been outperforming any other asset class that is in the market right now. So if you have a little bit of money, you invest on probably S&P 500 or stock market. Do you know that this companies is very good at taking your money? These companies are taking your money as a bill when you pay the phone bill or any other services you're getting from Netflix, and you are basically giving them money by stock again. So you're giving them money as a bill, and you're again giving them money by buying their stocks. Why you're making them rich? These corporations has a very good way of taking the money from you. So don't do those kind of things. Think logically, and the previous picture that I have shown, which actually explains which one is the better investment. So that will help you to make informed decisions about investing. Here's the third thing. Trump loves crypto. The new SEC chairman loves crypto.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done.
Well, when I was investing in crypto 2 years back, nobody was here. Nobody, that Donald Trump hated crypto. He hated, like, nobody liked crypto. So, but now the Trump is here, the president of the United States is saying that crypto, never sell your crypto. So I'm not sure what else do you need to hear to buy the crypto and make yourself great return for the future. I don't know what else to tell you. When the president of the United States is saying that in America is going to be the crypto hub of the entire world and never sell your Bitcoin. I don't know how else to convince you to buy crypto, or especially buy Bitcoin. There's no asset that is outperforming Bitcoin. There is just none. You cannot. I can challenge you right now in the month of December 2024. So, if you think about real estate, that's a very interesting topic. You get 10% return after 3 years of having a real estate portfolio. And let alone the cost and everything, keep in mind that in 3 years, your house value will probably go up. But you also have to think the inflation, the value of the dollar reduced every single month. So even if you're making those money, you're not actually getting those values for your money based on the inflation that is happening in the market. So think through these things. And after thinking everything, I felt like Bitcoin is the way to go. And it's right now sitting over 100K. So that's the education that you probably needed to hear, or to make a conscious decision about what your investment is going to look like. Even $10 in Bitcoin can turn into $1,000, which the real estate can never do. S&P 500 can never do, years after years after years after years. So think of these things, and you still have a chance, you still have time to afford a lifestyle that you always wanted to have. Thank you for listening. Give me a follow, will cost you nothing, and I'll keep you updated, keep you motivated of how I did it and how it's gonna go in the future. Thank you guys.